Welcome to the announcements. My name is Dakota Reeves, and I'm in the Boys Club. This year, one of our assignments is to help the Red Kettle campaign. Did you know that 95% of people ringing bells at the kettle were paid? Yeah, shocking, isn't it? Our goal this year is to change that number to 95% of kettle workers being volunteers, and you can help. A volunteer at a kettle makes more than twice as much as a paid ringer. Here are some of the reasons why.
Volunteers for the Salvation Army kettles come in all shapes and sizes, and they can show their talents at the kettle.
Joy to the world, the Lord has come.
I'm a volunteer bell ringer, and I love ringing bells.
That's right, son. We've been doing it for years.
This job's so easy, even a dummy could do it.
Away in a manger, no crib for a bed.
You guys are amazing!
Away in a manger, no.
Maybe you have a musical talent. You can even bring your musical instrument to the kettle. Those kind of volunteers really raise money.
One way to make a lot of money is to wear your favorite uniform. Another way to make a lot of money is to wear your other favorite uniform.
Well, here we are at the site of our paid ringer. As you can see, we have a lot of challenges here in the Salvation Army. We've paid ringers for so many years, and when they're at the kettle, we usually don't get 100% commitment out of them. Take a little look at Alex here. Alex has been earning a lot of money today, but he hasn't been bringing in very much. A paid ringer certainly doesn't have the capabilities and the energy and the impulse to bring in the kind of money you can get from a volunteer. You ready for action, Alex? Thank you. That is a paid ringer. Some say the origin of bell ringing started some 2,000 years ago. Certainly looks like it from this scene.
Merry Christmas.
We like to have volunteers from all shapes and sizes, no matter what they do.
Even if you're a loser.
I hope that helped you to understand why volunteers are important. The Red Kettle campaign is our single largest fundraising event, and you can help us reach our 95% volunteer goal. Sign up today or see Ken or Captain Tom. Captain Tom, could you please stand? Folks, while he's standing, let's give him a hand for this great idea. You can sign up today at www.oakcreeksa.org. You can make the difference.